Hello viewers, welcome to the another video of Design Hive, and in this video we will learn how to remove anything from an image. So let's get started. So here we have an image, so we have to remove this curve. So select this layer, take the lasso tool or press L. Okay, take a random selection, make a random selection like this including shadows and this. Go to edit content aware fill. Okay, now it's loading. Press OK. Press Ctrl or Command D to deselect, and let's see the before and after. So this is before and this is my friend after. Okay, we have another example. So let's say we have to remove this cup from this image. So again, select this layer, take the lasso tool or press L, make a random selection, okay, including these shadows, okay, like this. This selection should be random. Okay, go to edit content aware fill. Okay, it's loading and press OK. Now press Ctrl or Command D to deselect it. Let's see the before and after. So this is the before and this, my friend, is the after. Thanks for watching.